Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Trustwallet. Guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Trustwallet to open it. So let me do that real quick. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see my Trustwallet is opening up. So guys, once your Trustwallet opens up, you're required to enter your password or use your fingerprint sensor. So guys, let me use my fingerprint sensor right away. So guys, once your Trustwallet opens up, this is the first interface you're going to see. This is the home page of your Trustwallet. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see search. You can see search icon there at the top. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to search for USDT. Let me search for USDT real quick. Let me tap on it, USDT. So guys, now you can see the search result. You can see there are so many USDT right here, but the right one you have to go for is the one that has Ethereum. You can see it there. That's the first option. You can see it is written USDT Ethereum. You can see it, USDT Theta Ethereum. So guys, that's the correct one you have to go for, because ERC stands for Ethereum Request for Comment. USDT ERC is a type of cryptocurrency that represents the US dollar in the Ethereum blockchain. So guys, that's the right one you have to go for. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see receive. You can see the receive icon there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this is where you're going to find your USDT ERC20 wallet address. You can see it there being encircled. But before I go ahead now to copy it, so guys can see what's written there at the top. They say send only Theta ERC20 network assets to this address. Other assets will be lost forever. So guys, now you can see this is the right wallet. This is the ERC20 wallet address. This is the USDT ERC20 wallet address you're looking for. So guys, now what you have to do now to copy it is to tap on where you can see copy. You can see it there on the left hand side. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied. You can see it down there. So guys, now this is how you can actually find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Trustwallet. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload on cryptocurrency wallet address tutorials like this. Bye. Peace.